You know, without actually being on a boat, I think this house delivers the most marine experience maybe of any home that I've seen. If you look, I'll just change the, looking from to the east, there's the ocean. To the north, the Intracoastal Waterway looking over to Wrightsville Beach. And then looking to the west, heading through Snow's Cut. And looking down towards the gorgeous private marina here. And this is part of the Oceana development. We're very active and very busy marketplace, so I thought I'd just take a moment and bring you on a tour of this house. Here we go. I'm just instantly drawn to going outside with any house, especially a house like this. This one's listed just a shade under 2.4 million. Located at 438 Oceana Way, Carolina Beach, North Carolina. Has its own private pier with a couple of boat slips or boat lifts right there. Amazing views over towards the marsh. Home has an elevator as well. So there's the stairs leading up. Beautiful atrium here. Ceramic tile and solid oak floors. So you might know I love to be on the boat. I'm especially proud of my son Finn. He passed his boater certification. He's only 14 years old. He got his own boat for his birthday. So this is within his territory. He sneaks down here to Carolina Beach. So 438 Oceana Way, Carolina Beach, North Carolina. Just a shade under $2.4 million. Give us a call, let's put an offer together.